Another CNC plasma machine supplied by Westermans. Being loaded and destined further up than Aberdeen. CNC plasma with fume extraction and Hypertherm Max Pro 200 being loaded. Trying to get it loaded before it starts raining, then sheet it up and the driver can go. Next load coming in, guillotine and brake press. More machines doing as some go out. Morgan Rushworth guillotine, and under the top is a brake press. More details can be seen on our website.